Welcome, here I've got NOKIA 8.3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to take motion photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's move to this button. Here by just one tap we can turn on the motion photo, another tap to turn it off when we don't need it, and when we have this turned on, let me keep this like that, we can get 2 in 1 when we take a picture, so we can get the photo and the short clip at the same time. Let me show you how it works by taking a picture. And now let's move here to the right corner at the bottom. When we tap on this button we get quick access to the gallery, and as you can see this is how the motion photo looks like. When we tap on this button here we can stop it and see the picture. Another tap here and we can get access to the short clip. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.